All right, we're looking at stocks under pressure right now with the Dow down 65, red on the screen. We have the VIX jumping on geopolitical nervousness. It's looming large. We've got a market maven who says, despite the turmoil, overseas is the place to park your money right now because that's what the wealthy are doing. Barron's top 2016 female financial advisor Kimberlee Orth joining us now, private wealth advisor, also rated #1 top 2017 financial advisors in America. Okay, so the rich are different, or maybe not, from the rest of us. Who we have retail investors watching, we have wealthy, we have business people. What should they be doing?
Yeah. So we like diversification. Our clients in general are very calm right now. They're happy, they're content. They're not jubilant about the market, but they're happy. What we're concerned about is volatility that we're going to see start to increase, we think, over this year. But everybody's the same.
The VIX started to jump, and that's an indicator of nerves, investor and trader nerves, correct? But you're saying park it overseas. That's a broad statement. Let's narrow it down. Where?
Okay. So everything in moderation, of course. This is a piece of your portfolio.
Oh, you sound like my father.
I know. I am your father. I can't help it. I was talking to him earlier today, so we had a nice conversation.
Well, he's up there, so
yeah, okay. Well, you know. So we like to have some international in our portfolio. Our investment team is adding additional international to the portfolio right now because that sector has been so beat up over the past few years. We think there could be an opportunity there. If you're going to ask me specifically, where do you like in the developed areas? We like the Eurozone. Inside of the Eurozone, we like Germany. What the U.S. is to the world, Germany is to the Eurozone. So they are leaders in Europe, and we think there's opportunity.
How do you get your clients' money stable when just in this hour, in the last 58 minutes, the president has said the dollar's way too strong, the dollar now falling pretty precipitously at this hour. The UN couldn't get a vote together speaking out against chemical weapons in Syria. We've got all kinds of other issues swirling. North Korea, we're going to wipe the U.S. off the face of the earth. So how do you keep that money stable when the Dow's falling 66 on one day and jumping 30 on another?
So we like to focus on the long term. Our clients they base their goals on a written financial plan. We look at the bigger picture of everything. Of course, there's going to be volatility. Every single day, there's going to be volatility. To your point, you just named 5 things that create plenty of volatility. So we focus on the long term, everything in moderation, diversification. It sounds boring, but it works. And it works in the bigger picture of the universe, and it works if you're focused on your goals.
What keeps you up at night as a financial advisor?
Well, as I said, I'm worried, or not worried, but concerned about volatility. I'm paying attention to it. Even though clients feel good right now, I'm paying attention to it. I'm reminding you that there's going to be volatility. We're always concerned about inflation because that can rear its ugly head at some point. Bonds could be a concern down the road. You know, plenty of things keep me up.
Well, have a good sleep tonight because you just informed a lot of our viewers on ways to stay calm and carry on. Good to see you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I'm grateful to be on the show.
Oh, lovely to have you. Kimberlee Orth. And we need to tell you that right now, with 20 seconds before that closing bell ringing, the Dow and the S&P are finishing below their 50-day moving average. That is certainly a flashing red sign. And a quick mention, United Airlines stock is dropping precipitously after that passenger who was dragged off the flight has now filed some legal motions.